Right, I'm going to do it again. Now, the route in which me and Sheba went, we went on this route yesterday, yeah, and I'm going to show you where it came out at. Can you see that? I'm just trying to zoom in. Why won't it zoom in? That's it. Right. Now, that is a gate to a burial ground. That's a burial ground there. And just over there, there's a gate. And we came out at that gate. That's what I'm saying. When I came out at that gate, I recognised where we were. Yeah, I recognised where we were. This point here. Yeah. Especially when you see that sign there. And that's right. Oops. I'll just zoom out there. Just zoom out. That's it. Yeah. Oh. When I came out there, that's why I recognised where I was. Yeah, because there's a seat just there. I'm sitting on the seat. Yeah, it's full of moss and lichen. Yeah. Looks like it hasn't been touched in ages. Not even painted. Never mind. Yeah, it's a burial ground over there. Dalton and Croft burial ground. Yeah. I was actually quite surprised when I saw it. That video. Yeah, the farmers are busy. That's a farmer. That was a John Deere. Looks like they've been ploughing. That looks like a big plough. Because they'll be harvesting and ploughing fields and putting more crops in. So yeah, it's funny, yesterday when I was here, when I came down here, there was actually a copper parked up in the and what he was saying was there's people in porches. He was watching out for porches. People that probably they recognise the cars and the likes, or the vans, and they go onto fields and destroy fields. Yeah. So there you go. Yeah. I've been, like I say, I keep selling things, and I've sold. Andy bought a hobby compressor. He bought it a while back because he was into painting. He wanted to experiment with using a compressor on his paint work, on these canvases, and he never got round to doing it. And thing is, it's one of them items that I will never use, because he went all the way up to York to pick it up. He found it on eBay, but instead of waiting for them to deliver it, he actually went through to York to actually pick it up. Yeah, and we did. Yeah, but the thing is, you got all the little hoses and all the attachments and the airbrushes. You've got them on through either eBay or Amazon. So, like I said, it never really got used. Never got used at all. And I sold it yesterday. Yeah, like I say, it's something that I won't be using. My mind is too messed up at the minute to do anything like that. Yeah. Right. He's the sheep's. Laid down, look at, she's laid down. I got some front line for her and she's been treated. Yeah. Well, she's been treated with it. See, sign over there. Yeah, we're heading back to Croft. Down there. Yeah. Right, I am going to have to go, and I'll put all of these videos up on YouTube, and speak soon, and toodaloo for now.